Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, so we are now being asked to verify that the function satisfies the hypothesis of the mean value theorem on the given interval, and then we're being asked to find all number c's that satisfies the conclusion of the mean value theorem. So our function in this case is f of x equals ln of x, and recall that the graph of f of x of ln of x is actually looks something like this. So this is where x equals 1. And it is important to note that ln of x is only defined for numbers greater than 0. So its domain is really x greater than 0, because at 0 it goes off to negative infinity. However, we are only being asked to define from 1 to 4, so which is a continuous function. And by looking at this graph of ln of x, we also know that it's differentiable, because you can take a tangent line at any point. So we know these two conditions are satisfied, which are the conditions for the mean value theorem. And the mean value theorem states that there is a c such that the derivative at that point c will give us the average slope, which is f of 4 minus f of 1. Oops, sorry about that. So f of 1 all over 4 minus 1, because that tells us the average slope from 1 to 4. And we can actually find the number c that satisfies this condition by directly plugging this equation. So the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x, but we're going to be writing in terms of c, so this will be 1 over c. And this is equal to ln 4 minus ln 1 all over 4 minus 1. And since ln of 1 is 0, as you can see in the graph, this is simply 0. We get 1 over c is equal to ln of 4 over 3. And then now we can solve for c by just flipping this equation. So we get c equals 3 over ln 4. So this is the answer. So this value of c will give us an average slope. So just for a visual reference, what this is telling us is that assume that this is 0.4, that the average slope from 1 to 4, so this slope right here, there's a value, 3 over ln 4, which is specific, which will give us the exact same slope as it is from here to here. The tangent on this graph at this point will give us the same slope. So let's just say it looks like it's right here. So right here, that's parallel to it. And this is 3 over ln 4. That's all the mean value theorem is telling us.